This is the easiest way to use any random image generator to create your own unique transition. Just ask your cyber slave to make a mixed media texture image. Bring the texture image on top of your first clip towards the end of it. Make sure the image is 2 frames long. Select the image, change the composite mode to difference, increase the size of the image, rotate it, and move the position. That's all you need to do. Bring your second image, and do the same steps as before. Don't use 50 images for the transition, this will look really stupid. Somewhere between 4 to 10 will work fine, depends on how long you want your transition to be. If you want, you can also try to use a different composite mode for some of the textures, it's up to you, just experiment with different combinations. Only thing is to keep each image at 2 frames. What I like in this technique is that you can also use it as a short effect on your clip, not just as a transition. You can take the same image, change the size, position and rotation, and you will have a different pattern. If you want some more advanced effects, you can buy my pack, and make me a millionaire.